You've built your reputation by ensuring that when a customer's vehicle comes into your shop, it leaves in its best condition possible. Bend over backward for your clients? It's surprising your team can even stand upright anymore. As an automotive professional, you're critical of hype. You've got no time for untested products, for uncertain solutions, for questionable reliability. What's in the box is critical when it comes to a successful repair, of course, but it's not always as simple as finding a part that fits. You demand the right part for the application. In a recent survey, automotive professionals like yourself said that high-quality parts and trusted brands were the top 2 factors they consider when making a purchasing decision. But in a world of seemingly ever-changing reality, who can you trust? Standard knows that what comes out of repair opportunity is dependent upon what goes into the box. And after more than 100 years, Standard has a lot to be proud of. Standard has 13 fully equipped design and development centers in North America and around the world, including New York, South Carolina, Poland, and Germany, all dedicated to maximizing the performance of aftermarket products. These facilities are IATF 16949, ISO 9001, and ISO 14001 certified. As an expert manufacturer, all of SMP's components are validated from raw material through end-of-line testing. These tests include thermal shock, vibration, salt spray, and more, ensuring the parts you use perform correctly and last. More than 250 engineers, technicians, and designers, supported by state-of-the-art validation labs, use 3D modeling, CAD electronic circuit design, and other cutting-edge resources to ensure 100% consistent product reliability. Because today's vehicles have complex electronic safety systems, every part installed must be designed and calibrated to work with them. You depend on tested components that allow systems such as automated braking and electronic stability control to work as designed without exception and without frustration for your customers. Your techs don't have time to second-guess your part selections. With more than 50,000 parts, including ABS speed sensors, blower motor resistors and kits, cam and crank sensors, electronic throttle bodies, EVAP, fuel injection, ignition coils, VVTs, and turbocharger kits for import and domestic vehicles, the Standard logo on the box means they won't have to. With precise catalog data, award-winning training and marketing resources, as well as exemplary sales support, you can be sure that your commitment to your customer is unwavering. When the OE part fails, don't wonder what's in the box. Visit standardbrand.com to learn more. Thanks for watching.
This video is sponsored by Standard. When OE fails, trust Standard. Visit standardbrand.com for more information.